Are raised garden beds worth it? Unearth the truth. Tired of backaches and battling poor soil? Discover if raised garden beds are the secret to your gardening success. Let's dig in. Raised garden beds are essentially elevated plots of soil enclosed within a frame. This frame can be made from various materials like wood, stone, or even recycled materials. They offer a contained space for growing plants above ground level. They've become increasingly popular due to their versatility and numerous benefits. Gardeners of all skill levels are drawn to the ease and control they provide. But are they truly worth the investment? One of the biggest advantages is improved soil quality. You have complete control over the soil composition, creating the perfect environment for your plants. Say goodbye to rocky, compacted, or nutrient-poor native soil. Raised beds also offer better drainage. Excess water can easily escape, preventing root rot and promoting healthy growth. This is especially beneficial in areas with heavy clay soil. Weed control is significantly easier in raised beds. The defined boundaries prevent weeds from creeping in from surrounding areas. Less weeding means more time enjoying your garden. Gardening in raised beds is much easier on your body. The elevated height reduces bending and stooping, minimizing back strain. This is a game changer for gardeners with mobility issues. Raised beds can be customized to different heights, making gardening accessible to everyone. Wheelchair users can enjoy gardening with specially designed raised beds. They also offer a cleaner gardening experience. Less contact with the ground means less mud and dirt on your clothes and hands. Raised beds can help deter certain pests. Slugs and snails, for example, have a harder time reaching plants in elevated beds. This reduces the need for harmful pesticides. Good drainage and air circulation in raised beds also minimize the risk of soil-borne diseases. Healthy plants are more resistant to pests and diseases. You can also use netting or row covers more easily on raised beds to protect your plants from birds and insects. This provides an extra layer of protection. Raised beds warm up faster in the spring compared to in-ground gardens. This allows you to start planting earlier and extend your growing season. The soil in raised beds also retains heat better, protecting plants from late frosts. You can even use cold frames or hoop houses to further extend the season. This means you can enjoy fresh vegetables and flowers for a longer period of time. Imagine harvesting your own tomatoes well into the fall. Raised beds can add a beautiful and organized element to your garden. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials to complement your landscape. You can create a visually appealing garden with different levels and textures. Raised beds can be arranged in geometric patterns or naturalistic designs. They also provide a defined space for your plants, preventing them from spreading and becoming unruly. This creates a neat and tidy garden. While raised beds offer many benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. The initial cost of materials can be a significant investment. Building the beds and filling them with soil requires time and effort. It's important to plan and prepare properly before starting your project. Raised beds can dry out faster than in-ground gardens, requiring more frequent watering. Consider installing a drip irrigation system to conserve water. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use raised garden beds depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Consider your budget, space, and gardening goals. If you have poor soil, limited mobility, or want to extend your growing season, raised beds are definitely worth considering. They can transform your gardening experience. However, if you have ample space with good soil and are on a tight budget, in-ground gardening may be a better option. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Think about the long-term benefits of raised beds. The improved soil quality, reduced weeding, and ergonomic advantages can save you time and effort in the long run. Consider the aesthetic appeal and how raised beds can enhance your garden's overall design. A well-designed raised bed garden can be a beautiful and productive space. Talk to other gardeners who use raised beds and get their insights and recommendations. Learning from their experiences can help you make an informed decision. Now that you know the pros and cons, are you ready to embrace the world of raised garden beds? Start planning your dream garden today. Research different designs, materials, and soil mixes to create the perfect environment for your plants. Don't wait any longer to experience the joy and abundance of gardening in raised beds. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences with raised beds, and click the link in the description to download our free guide on building your own raised garden bed. Let's grow together.